Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Vilma, and you probably came from Sonia's video, who I'm collabing with on this video. Today I'm going to transform into Anya, one of my favorite movie characters, and I'm going to modernize her famous orphanage look. On Sonia's channel you can see how she transformed into the blue evening gown Anya. The video is linked down below, but first we start with this look. For the makeup look, I started with finding a close-up picture of Anya's face. Oh, I love this scene! And then I started with the actual makeup face. I put my hair up and moisturized my face, and then I used the Lumina Nordic Girl CC cream in the shade 1 and just put it all over my face, and then I just blended it with a damp beauty blender. Decided to do some light contour and highlight, which didn't end up being so light. But anyway, I used the Viva La Diva Power Contour Kit, and for contour I used the shade Croissant, and I just tried to blend it really well. I'm not the best with contour, but I tried my best and that's enough. Obviously Anya didn't have any contour, but now it's 2018, so now she has. And by the way, for highlight I used the shade Vanilla. Then I came in with the blush, and I noticed that in the Journey to the Past scene, Anya's cheeks are very visibly pink. They're very blushy, so I used quite a lot of blush, and I used the Ingrid blush that I bought from Poland a few years ago. And actually after that, the base is done, and we can move on to the eyes. Let's do the eyeshadow first. I found that the shades in the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette were perfect for this look, so I started with the shade Limit, but soon went over it with the shade Nooner, which was exactly the color of Anya's eyeshadow, or well, eyelids. She was a poor girl in 1917 after all, so I mainly used that for the eye look. Eyeshadow is done, we move on to eyeliner, which made me really scared and confused because Anya's eyeliner, it's a bit weird. First of all, she has those beautiful, perfect, flawless feline flicks cat eyes, and those are already super impossible or almost impossible to achieve. But then she has double flicks under them. And let me tell you, I was so scared of those. But because I'm doing this video for you, and because this video is in the honor of my favorite girl, I'm of course doing that too, and you're gonna see it right now. Then we move on to brows, and I noticed that Anastasia Anya has very thick, very rich brows, and as you can see I don't have those. I don't have any of those. Like, my brows are poor compared to her rich brows, haha! So I used my NYX brow palette and just changed the game. Don't be afraid to do very dark and rich and thick brows because that's what we're going for. Now it's time to move on to mascara, and I used my Maybelline Last Sensational for that, and yeah, I just love this mascara, so of course I used it again. And lastly, the lips. For this look I used a mix of NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Can and NYX Matte Lipstick in the shade Sierra. Then I just used a damp makeup wipe to get rid of some excess contour and moved on to the hair, which thank god Anya is super easy. Anya's hair is actually shorter than mine, but you can rock this look even with longer hair. You just have to have bangs and enough hair to create a small half ponytail. I just parted my bangs in two and looked up pictures online of Anya and her beautiful hair. Like I said, this hairstyle is super easy. I'm not good with hair. I'm actually really bad with hair stuff. but this is a style that I can do. Pull the front hair that usually frames your face back and gather some more hair to create quite a high, small ponytail. I also used a brush to help to make it smoother and neater, and then I just used a thin hair tie to tie up my hair. That's it! But wait a second, Anya's hair tie is hidden, so we have to hide ours too. It's easy, don't worry. If you want to leave your hair like this, that's okay too, but I'm gonna go all the way down. So I just took a small section of hair from the ponytail, I twisted it, and then I twisted it around the ponytail to hide the hair tie. Then I just took a bobby pin to hold the hair in place, and that's it. It's that easy. And now you have Anya's hair! Happy with this look. I'm so happy how it turned out. It is quite modern, but that's what I was going for, and I love it! The makeup isn't enough because we also have to dress up like Anya, so let's move on to the clothes. For this outfit, I went through a few charity shops and found the perfect yellow shirt to represent Anya's dress, but the jeans I already had in my closet. I got a belt from my dad's closet, and these shoes were from a charity shop, as was this hat, which was again perfectly Anya. And then my winter coat worked really well as Anya's huge coat. And just to be a bit extra, I also decided to paint my nails with a grey nail polish to complete the look. And here is my finished Anastasia Anya orphanage look with a modern twist. Just don't forget to add a meaningful necklace because you need one if you want to be Anya. Now you're ready to hit the road, jump in the snow, and to find your journey to the past. So this was my modern Anastasia transformation video. I really hope you enjoyed this because I loved filming this. And this movie just means the world to me. It is one of my favorite movies ever, and it's just gorgeous in every way possible. So making a video related to that just makes my heart shine with home, love, family. This video was a collab with Sonia DoubleG, who is also a YouTuber, and she also made a video very similar to this one. She transformed into Anastasia. She did something amazing, and you should totally check that video out. I'm gonna link it here, and I'm gonna link it down below. You should check out Sonia's channel and just say hi. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, and if you're new and you want to see more videos like this, maybe more film transformations, subscribe and tell that in the comments. Thanks for watching. I love you guys very much, and I think I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!